Good morning and welcome back, class. I hope you guys enjoyed your spring break. We're going to talk about that before we get into this lesson today. So, this is a recording of your step by step instructions from the last time you recall we were creating claims based off of the scenes that you were assigned, and you had to determine whether or not it was free choice or fate for each scene. And then you found the evidence to support it. So here, which is going to be due Friday, I have posted everything that you're going to need. Okay, so you have the instructions first that I believe are here. And so when you click on this, it's already explaining to you that you're going to refer to your assigned scene and your work that you did first so you can find it, right? And then the second part is the Jane Schaefer, which is a color coding for each one, the topic sentence blue, the concrete details red, the commentary green, and the concluding sentence blue. Now you have your step-by-step video, which is what I'm recording now, right? And then you are writing an argumentative summary that is determining the scene that you were assigned. Were the characters behaving as free choice or was it by fate? Okay, so that's what you're going to actually write about as a summary for each one of those scenes that only you were assigned to. Okay, and then here, if you have any questions, please note this at the bottom. Please ask in class or by email or visit me during office hours for tutoring so that we can make sure that you have a strong summary to end this quarter with. The next thing, so that was the instructions. Now you have, again, the recall. We'll revisit this again. And that is the scene. So I did the first scene and I wrote the claim about the two families fighting and I provided that evidence. Okay. You all will have yours here that was dated for March 12th, is where you'll be able to find yours. Okay. Because it was like 14 assigned. All right. And then here, after you've done, recalled or brought up your scenes in your claim, your assigned scene, then you're going to write a summary, an argumentative summary. So here's my example that I left posted for you guys, right? It's MLA format. So it would require the student name, your teacher's name, ELA, which is the course name, and which hour that I give you instruction. And then the date is always the day, the month, and the year for MLA format. Now I've titled mine, since mine was about fights, in that first scene, I titled mine The Fights That Began It All, right? And then my topic sentence reads, Two families remain in constant feud by free choice. So they chose to fight, okay? I'm not going to read all of this to you, but by all means, make sure that you go through it in case you're just a little bit confused so you can identify the claims and the flow of the summary that I'm expecting, right? So here's the red part. That's the concrete detail. Those are the exact quotes that I took from my evidences. That's where I found that. Okay, and then here they chose to fight, which is my claim, and I actually opened up my summary with my claim. And then I ended it to kind of bring you back to the whole point of what I was talking about as a concluding sentence, and that is the men who were loyal to each family fought by choice. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for this particular assignment. It is worth 20 points, and it is again not due until Friday. Here, you'll click on this blank sheet, and this is where you'll write yours based off of your assigned scene. If you have any questions about this assignment or the instructions or the example that you see, please ask me in class or email me or come to tutoring as soon as possible, as this assignment is due Friday. Continue to have a wonderful day and enjoy your Tuesday.